Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy things on Amazon with PayPal. Normally on Amazon you can't pay via PayPal. You can pay either via Visa card or Amazon gift card. But I will show you how you can deal with this issue. You can go to Google and then type Dundle. Click here. What you need to do, you need to buy a gift card. Click here. Yeah, you can see here Amazon gift card, and here they have the price $5, $10, $25, $20. Just you can choose which gift card do you want, and here you can pay via PayPal. After you buy the Amazon gift card, then you can go to Amazon and buy what you want. I hope this video is useful. If you feel the video is useful, please click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any questions or idea or suggestions, just leave them in the comment below. Thank you and see you.